All right, let's continue with this. We got interrupted for a minute. So again, turning 1 1/2 into an improper fraction. This one just kind of worked out as being, let's see here, 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. It'd be 3 over 2 because the denominator stays the same. All right, let's try the second one here. So 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. The denominator stays the same. So it's 19 over 5. Okay, let's do the next one. 2 times 7 is what, everybody?
14.
What's 14 plus 1?
15.
So it's 15 over what?
2.
There you go.
This makes no sense.
Okay? So let's do this last one here. We'll do some more, though, just to make sure you guys got this. So it's 13 times 3. It's 39. 39 plus 2 is 41 over what?
3.
Over 3.
That's pretty easy.
That's how you change those into fractions.
I remember this is
Let's do a couple more.
Yeah.
2 3/4. Everybody try that one. 5 1/5. 10 and 2/8. Everybody try those 3.
I'm on the third one already.
All right. Mr. Buckman.
Yeah.
First one.
4 times 2 is 8.
Right.
8 times 3 is 24.
Well, 4 times 2 is 8. That's correct. And then 8 plus
Oh, yeah,
plus 3 is
11.
11. So it's 11 over what?
4.
4. Good. Okay, 20 points. Mr. Paulson. Second one.
I'm doing that right now.
You're doing that one right now? Well, let's do it together here. So what's the first step?
So you multiply 5 times 5.
Which is
25.
25. So 25.
25 plus 1 is 26. And then 26 over 5.
Nicely done. 20 points. All right, last one here. Frosty.
82.
Yeah, 82 is correct, but how did you get 82?
I did 8 times 10. I got 80.
Right?
I did 80 times 2. 80 plus 2. And I got 82.
82.
82 over 8.
Nicely done. 20 points. Okay. So now you guys know how to change those into fractions so you can work with them. So if you have a problem like the very first one, change this into a fraction. So everybody do that problem right now. 2 3/5 times 3. Everybody do that one. All right, Mr. DeHamel. What's the first thing you did here?
For that one up top.
This is the one we're doing right here.
Oh, okay. You do 5 times 2, and you get 10.
Okay?
And then 10 plus 3 is 13.
So 13 over,
5.
okay, times 3. Now what did you do?
You have to put a line and make the denominator for 3 make it a 1.
Okay, good. So now you're changing the 3 here into a fraction, so we can work with this here. So we have 13 over 5 times 3 over 1. Okay, good. Now what?
You can't cross cancel.
Nope, can't.
So 13 times 3 is 39. And 5 times 1 is 5.
Okay, good job.
And it goes 39, or 5 goes into 39 7 times.
Because 7 times 5 is 35. What's left over?
4
For what?
over 5.
4 over 5. So that's the answer, all right, to 2 3/5 times 3, 7 4/5. Yes?
Points for the thing that we all did.
That you all did?
Yeah, that everybody did for the
Questions on this? Anybody? You guys want to do another one like that?
Yes.
Raise your hand if you want to do one more like that. All right, last one. So let's see here. Everybody do that one. 4 2/5 times 6. Miss Gordon's not in here. Mr. Texera, you're up. What's the first thing you would do in this problem?
Make the 6 and 6 ones. 6 and 1.
Okay, so you would change, so you do 4 2/5 times 6 over 1. Okay, now what would you do?
You did times 2 times 6.
No. You got to change this into an improper fraction. Okay? CM, you want to try it?
Yes.
Go for it.
So you multiply 5 times 4, that's
Okay.
20.
Good.
Add 2, that's 22.
Okay, so 22 over what?
22 over 5.
Okay. Times 6 over 1. Now what?
Now you multiply across.
Okay, straight
So
across.
22 times 6, that's 100. That's 132, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, it is. That's what I got.
Yep, 132.
And then you multiply the 5 times 1, that's 6.
And 5 times 1 is 5.
Yeah.
Okay. Then the question is, how many times does 5 go into 132? Well, I could do 132 divided by 5. 5 goes into 13 twice, right? That's 10. What's left over?
3.
Okay. And then bring down the 2. 5 goes into 32
6 times.
6 times. Okay, so 26. So 5 goes into 132 26 times. Okay, what was left over?
2.
2 left over. What goes on the bottom?
A 5.
Okay, so 26 2/5 is the answer to that. How many got that one right? Raise your hand.
Well, when I did
So
it,
about half of you. Put up 20 points, see 'em? It was good.
So how do you get 26 to 5? How do you get the 2 5?
How did I get the 26 here?
No, how do you get
at
the
the
2
end
5?
of the day,
The 2 5s?
Yeah.
The 2 and down over the 5, the 2/5 is what he's at.
Oh, this here?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, 5 goes into 132 26 times, which is 130. Group 2 erase points. And so 130 subtracted from 132 is 2. There's 2 left over. So whatever left over goes on the top in the numerator position, and the denominator stays the same.
So how'd you get 130? Not 132.
I got 130 by figuring out how many times 5 goes into 132. And it goes in 26 times. 26 times 5 is 130. 130. All right. I'm going to end this video here.